Hey guys, competition means there's already a market for your course. If there's other courses in your niche that are successful, that means that people are interested in that topic and they're willing to pay for it. Now, that also means that the potential for your course to be successful is huge. Rather than being discouraged or upset about the fact that there's tons of courses in your niche, take advantage of the opportunity that you actually have. You can market it better and you can fill in gaps in that marketing that other courses or your competition don't have. Okay, so let's expand on the success of a course and why it indicates it's in demand. Here's actually a few reasons why that would be. People are passionate about the subject and they want to learn more about it. Now, whether that's a hobby or a professional interest, people are willing to invest time and money into whatever that niche is. They want to learn, whatever they can about that specific topic. Another reason is the course provides value. It fills in a gap, which I mentioned earlier. Filling in a gap, within your marketing efforts and creating a better course than your competitors. Filling in a gap, also known as unique selling proposition. And I do talk about that in my other videos as well. But a course that provides value and fills in a gap is something that people are looking for. If there's a gap in the market for a particular type of course, people are willing to invest in it, and people are interested in enrolling in one that meets their needs and their expectations. So making sure that you research the market, research your competitors, analyze what they are offering is really critical when you're creating a course and when you're trying to make course material. Successful courses also, they have a strong reputation and great reviews. Usually that's the case because they have provided some value for a lot of people. Word of mouth and online reviews can influence the way people think. They can influence the decision that people make when they're going in to buy a course or enroll in a course. Now, if they trust the opinions or the reviews, that is going to help them make the decision to enroll in that course. Effective marketing and advertising can also play a great role in the success of a course. It's really critical that you understand marketing, even just a little bit, and you are, advertising your course, you're promoting your course in a very effective way. If a course creator effectively communicates the benefits and highlights their features that they provide or the value that they have or whatever their audience is going to learn by the end of the course, they are more likely to attract all those people that are interested in that same topic. And something that I always say, make sure you know your target audience, make sure that you understand their needs and wants and preferences so that you can put the right message in front of them. But at the end of the day, just because there's a ton of courses in that niche and there's a ton of competition, it doesn't mean that you're going to fail at your course. In fact, turn that around. It actually means people are interested, people are willing to invest time, people are willing to buy. And at the end of the day, if you are effective in your marketing, you're effective in your communication, you've been able to identify your target audience and put the right message in front of them, you've been able to highlight your features and your benefits, then you will be successful in your course creation and ultimately your business. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value in this video, please hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.